Guys, I've been in kind of production mode lately, and I got myself a flock. But I've been making, you know, my ram's head railroad spike knife. This one turned out pretty good. This one here turned out as a young ram. And this one here turned out as an ibex. But that's the way it goes. But I was looking on the internet and envisioning what you can do with the shape of a railroad spike like this. I see an elephant in there. I don't know. That's what I see. And that's what I'm going to try to do. If you see this video, that means I was successful. So sit back. You're in for a heck of a build, I think. I can see it, right? I can see it happening. Stop right there and call it an abstract of an elephant. Move some steel down where I want it to be. Ears need to be down, cuffs need to be down. Line tension. Line this thing long enough. Bringing those ears back a little more from that way and start bringing them this way, I guess. At this point in time, I'm going to try to start stretching that trunk out and use my little rounded over thing as a puller. But we got to do it. I'll do it now. Back here. Go ahead and start pulling that trunk a little more. Yeah, tell me. Oh, probably going to get enough steel out of it. I hope so. Tell you one thing, it's an exercise in temperature control, that's for sure. Alrighty, Aphrodite. Let's see if we can make this the final stretch. I think it'll prove the point. So what I'm hoping I can do is get these tusks to come out to the side. And boys and girls, it's a trunk and two tusks. Start running this down. Just spread out. But you know what? Nothing's even perfect in nature. I'm ready to start running. I see like steel from up here. Not much more, just a little. I don't know about you, but dudes, would you have ever thought of a couple of very distinct attributes that elephants seem to have? That's up here. Let in, lift it up, I hope, and then drop an eyeball underneath it, and then bring it back down. So straight in first. That's pretty good, actually. Just gonna throw in a couple of lines to give it trunk characteristics. Just to show that I tried. Can you say? I don't even know what to say. Dude. Zip and dudettes. That was that. I'm kind of speechless. Alright, now back to work. So I need to put my twist in, and I need to put a blade on this thing. It is a knife after all. Alright, so, Aphrodite, let's hope this will come do it. Oh, one full twist. Does it work? Totally unbelievable. Alright, all we got left to do now is put the blade in. My daughter says she wants to be in the video because she's cooler than me. tell you one thing, she might be cooler. I don't think I've seen a cooler knife. It's got an elephant head knife. Alright, let's start bringing this blade down to a blade. I'll go ahead and clean this thing up, and I'll come back with it cleaned up, and you get a chance to see what it looks like. This is probably one of the most amazing things I've done yet. Awesome. I don't know. I like it. Can you tell? I have no idea if I'm ever going to try this project again, because it was, I think, a stroke of luck that I got as far as I did with the results that I did. But that's how you make, if you want to try it, elephant head, railroad spike out of that. Unbelievable knife, looking knife out of that. Go figure.